am no stranger to vacuum seal bags, but I was just sent these ones for my review and I'm gonna be testing them out the very first time. I'm very critical when it comes to my vacuum seal bags because it is all about the electric pump. Gone are the days of those hand pumps. This is gonna do all of the hard work for us. This is rechargeable, of course, and this is a pack of 15 bags. These are actually the nicest bags I have ever seen. Every other one I've used is just kind of like the plain white ones. These are like these really nice gray. So you have 3 packs of 5, and in each pack you have 2 of the 20-inch, 2 of the 24-inch, and 1 of the 28-inch. So this one right here is the 20-inch. These ones are going to be perfect for travel. So if they work well, this is what I am going to be traveling with very soon. And then they also come, so full disclosure, I never use these, but I get it because you have these, it's basically like a big old Ziploc bag. And these are really tough to use. So a lot of people take these and slide them across. For whatever reason, I'm never good at that. Like I feel like it doesn't seal well because that, of course, you need to make sure that this is closed properly. And there are 2 of them. So I just kind of like to use my fingers. But of course, if you're good with those, go ahead and use those. So I'm just going to go ahead, make sure these are sealed really nice. All I have in here right now is just one single t-shirt because I want to see how slim and thin we can get this. So there's one t-shirt right here, and then this is your opening. So we're going to twist that off. And then with this pump, I did not charge it yet. I literally just took it right out of the bag. So hopefully it does have some juice. So this is going to go right on top of here. There's only one button right here, which makes it super simple. I'm going to go ahead and guess these buttons at the top are going to tell us how much juice it has left. And then as I already showed you, you can recharge this. So this just goes right on top. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to let it go because we want to see how thin this can go. It is going to get a little loud. They usually are. So bear with me here. Look at that. Oh, okay. And then I kind of like to do this when there's lots of stuff in here. There's only one shirt right now, but that was quite impressive. This one lonely little shirt. Let's see. Like, I mean, you can now like actually see the shirt. You can actually see it as a white shirt. When we first put this in here, you could not, like, it just looks kind of like a little paper thin. That's actually pretty cool. So now keep this in mind. These are really great. A lot of people are thinking, well, hey, maybe I don't travel. I don't need these. These are not just travel. This is really great for your seasonal clothing as well. I'm sure if you're like me, you've got lots of sweaters, t-shirts, and you want to change out those clothing. A lot of times people just kind of put them in boxes or bins, but those are prone to, you know, getting moisture and mold and bugs. This right here is going to keep all of that out. It's going to keep them nice and fresh. I honestly like to wash all of that clothing, put them right into a vacuum seal bag. So then when the next season, when I pull them out, I know this sounds crazy, but you don't even need to wash them. As long as you wash them before they go in the bag, they're going to come out smelling fresh like a daisy. Honestly, this was really impressive. Worked really well, really fast. Highly recommend.